to date. I am Renu Kwonu Yaposa Memi Omumu Sir Robert Academy TV. Memi Abunki Sir Robert onyenkuzi preach na akuzi business studies na literature in English no godielu. Uzo osi akuzi nenyere umu akwụkwọ nweta nnukwu ihe ịga nkọma na akwụkwọ. Anyị na-akpọ ụmụ akwụkwọ ndị nne na nna na ọha mmadụ ka ha soro mmemme ọmụmụ Sir Robert na YouTube channel nke Circuit maka ozi ndị ọzọ biko kpọkọrọ Sir Robert site na nọmba ekwentị ndị a 2255-611 Sir Robert Academy TV Dona Urambo District, Tabora Region, Tanzania.
We have now looked at the examples of who? We have looked at the examples of who? After we have looked at the examples of art, do we have any questions? The hands here, may I pick Diana Mashaka?
Thank you, sir. Sir, why literature is said to be a work of art?
Fantastic question from Diana Mashaka. What a question, what a brilliant student. Hello. Why is literature said to be a work of art? Diana Mashaka has asked a question. Why is literature said to be a work of art? Diana Mashaka has asked a question. Why is literature said to be a work of art? The momentum is too high now that it can even boil water. Why is literature said to be a work of art? Now, a question has been posed. Why is literature said to be a work of art? Surprisingly, again, the whole class, almost the whole class knows the answer. May I pick Meresiana Maritini Masaniwa?
Skillful and creative of use language.
Skillful and creative use of language. Remember, in our definition, we said that literature is a work of art that uses language creatively. We are now here. A work of art that uses language creatively. Yes. Now, the first point that has been given by Meresiana Maitini Masani was skillful and creative use of language. When we say skillful, we mean that the language that is used in literature is not an ordinary language. It is the language that is an artistic language. An artistic language means it is a language which has figures of speech. That is what we call figurative language. So skillful and creative use of language. The artists use skillful artistic language to convey their message. Another point. We save time. Another point. Chazi, for the first time since creation. Chazi.
Skillful creation.
Skillful creation of what, Chazi?
Of the setting.
Skillful creation of setting. Skillful creation of setting. When we say setting in literature, we are meaning the time and the place where the events or instances are taking place. Are we together? Yes. That is what we call a skillful creation of setting. Now, artists in literature set the place and the time where events are taking place based on the message that he or she wants to send to the society. For example, a setting can be an urban setting or the rural setting. Are we moving together? Yes. We are moving together? Yes. And each setting or the place suggests the themes or the message. For example, the setting that based on urban setting can suggest or contain themes like spread of diseases, most especially the HIV, AIDS. You look at prostitution, you look at unemployment. That is the urban setting. Then when you look at the rural setting may contain messages or themes like wife beating, FGM, and polygamy. So, skillful and creation of setting. The artist is in literature chooses a setting based on the message he or she wants to send to the society. Are we together? Yes. Do we have another point? We have another point. We have another point. Do we have another point? Is that Latifa? That one putting raising the hand. I don't see her properly. That girl in the veil. Muzinati. Hey, you are most welcome, Muzinati. I was thinking that she's a newcomer. Muzinati, you are welcome.
Skillful use of